Hello again, YouTube. It's 98 Grand 5.9, and today the second installment of my Sol-Ark 12K install is I installed my Micro Air EasyStart. This particular model has Bluetooth. There's an app you install on your phone, and you can monitor when it's running only, and you can make adjustments to it as well. I've been through the startup procedure, done the 5 starts, and I'm happy to say that I went from approximately 110 amps of starting current to 28 amps of starting current after installation and after the EasyStart learned the compressor. It's still fairly cool here today. The installation is really quite simple. The unit has 4 wires. One wire goes to one leg, one wire goes to the other leg, one wire goes to the hermetic section of the start capacitor, and the last wire connects to the other hot wire that is removed from the contactor when you place the wire that you see as a white wire there, and is a white wire on the EasyStart. I made it so that it would be super simple to remove in case something happened to it. Essentially, all that would have to be done is to remove that white wire, and the red wire that's in the foreground could be disconnected from the brown wire, reconnected where the white wire is, and the EasyStart would be taken out of the circuit, and the unit would operate as it always has. I did not notice any change in the running current, but so far at this low temperature, the air conditioner only pulls about half of its rated amperage, so it seems to be a fairly efficient unit. Right out there you see the solar panels that I mentioned in my first installment. Those are temporarily there until I get my racking put up. That's 5 old panels and 2 new panels. Not the most efficient thing to do, but it gets my system up and running, and when the sun comes out, it harvests slightly in excess of 2 kilowatts of power. As you can see, we once again have a rather cloudy sky. We also have some birds at extremely high altitude cruising. Don't know if it shows up. Well, that's all for today. I also failed to mention yesterday that I also have a 1,000 watt wind turbine coming that will be used to augment. Here in this area we have extreme winds most of the time, although recently in this odd weather we have had quite a lot of very calm days. Have a great weekend, and I'll get back next time I get back.